cheetah burrito. My pants are made of leather. I find it hard to concentrate.
Oh no. Welcome back to Meat and Veg, where I, your vegetable nerd friend, show you my Pokemons. Playing with the pan. No, that's too much. Everyone's got an opinion. Time for a tricky edit. I am so intrigued by this. The only person who has anything to say about what goes into your food is the people your food goes into. Okay? And also my cat, who has something to say about everything. Never look in a different direction while you're cutting something, and don't point knives at this is a disaster. And that is fantastic. Greetings from the heart of the apocalypse. That better? Man, I don't know. It all looks like shit. I could have used a fork, but like, this is going badly. All right. Okay. It's blah, 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 blah. Let's put that anywhere. You chose to be here. I was pretty clear about not wanting this to be what happened. It sure is what's happening. Another day, another cat butt on my head. Can you not? Thank you. This episode sucks so far. You're beautiful. Thank you. You're a fucking star. I'm gonna see how this. Not. All right. Well, this is okay. Don't. You know, it's hard to make something and read the recipe and talk to people at the same time. I'm just making excuses at this point. And get yelled at by a little kitty. Meow. Let a cat put its butt on your ear. I hear something, but it's not the ocean. The inside's doing really nicely, and it's keeping it alive a little longer. Hi, Stella! And my poor chives that she knocked down because she's a terrible cat. And she made a great big mess. Just cleaned the floor, Stella. Well, this is inconvenient. I wish this wasn't happening. Kind of need to get in there. Hey, Stella. Is there any chance that you could maybe not? Thank you. Okay, take it easy. It's not OnlyFans. Come on. I bet you didn't think that radicchio could get so complicated. Huh. Oh. Let's just skip all this. You've got that great big flower pot. How crazy is that? This is terrible. Softer, they have a tendency to get more waterlogged. I've said all of this before. Why am I doing it again? Kelly, stop. Oh, this is terrible. Brian, this is terrible. So you may be wondering why I'm doing this at 3 a.m. Yeah, me too. If you figure it out, you let me know. But this is what's happening. Oh yeah, I promised you information. Okay, you want to see something? This is my show. Talk about what I want to. I'll talk about cheese if I want to, I don't care. It's never too late to play with vegetables. I don't know what I mean by that either. Hey, quit it. Quit punching my produce. Shit. Hey. It's like that. Ow. I have popcorn. Here's the United States, and then you've got Canada, and then you've just got like Alaska, which is nonsense to me, but I don't know. Not only do you have like this little knob coming off of Canada that should, by all rights, should be Canada probably, but is just randomly, you know, a little bit more United States. Yeah! Properly. Replacement. L'Epicuria. I don't speak French. I sound stupid. Tempting. Rose and anus. Yeah? You sure? Okay. She agreed. Bitch. there's Stripey. Yeah, it's Frisee season again. I do have other things going on in my life. Thank you for asking. If you ever want to like poop like a champ, get yourself some kale. Next day, you're gonna be like, wow, I won that round. Please like and subscribe and click the bell. It'll let you know when I've got a new episode coming out so that you don't have to come back and check for it. Tell your friends. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.
Hey, turn up the caramello and shizzle on the shizney. It's time for me to what? Let me introduce myself. I'm Gina Burrito. My pants are made of leather. I found a